Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq, coming to you live from AWS reInvent in Las Vegas, Nevada. Joining me to kick off our coverage, we have Stephen Baker. He's the Director of Generative AI at AWS to discuss generative AI from the AWS perspective as well as trends that they're hearing from customers. Stephen, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thank you for having me.
And of course, Gen AI, that's been the buzzword for nearly 18 months at this point. What is AWS doing for its customers?
Sure, I mean, we're doing a lot. Obviously, Amazon in general has been in the AI and machine learning space for over 20 years now. We use the technology internally, have been helping hundreds of thousands of customers leverage machine learning to improve their business operations. Generative AI, obviously, it's captured the imagination of literally all of our customers over the last, call it 6 months to 12 months. And we're helping them take advantage of the technology in many ways. We have a variety of services that make it very easy for our customers to begin to develop generative AI applications. We've really focused on the infrastructure layer as well, making it as cost effective as possible for our customers to take advantage of these very powerful models. We're giving our customers additional opportunity to leverage their data in a very differentiated manner through these generative AI language models and through the applications that they're building. But we do so with a heavy emphasis on security and privacy of their data. Obviously, it's the crown jewel in many cases for our customers. We want to make sure that we're treating that data with the utmost confidentiality and security. And then we're also building a lot of productivity applications that are really meant to be consumed almost out of the box, really get our customers a jump start on taking advantage of some of the productivity gains that can be realized from generative AI. So an example of that would be Code Whisperer, which is our code generation assistance tool for that aids software development teams in creating code and developing applications more quickly than they otherwise would.
And in September, AWS announced the general availability of Amazon Bedrock. Can you discuss what the service is and what it means for the Gen AI community?
Yeah, for sure. So we're really excited about Bedrock. That is certainly one of our foundational artificial intelligence and Gen AI services. Bedrock, it's a fully managed service that provides API access to a variety of foundational models. Those are models that we create ourselves. We call our own models the Titan family of models. We also work with state-of-the-art third-party models, so Anthropic, Cohere, AI21, Stability, so Stable Diffusion. Those models are all accessible via Bedrock as well. We also work with open source model providers, so Meta's Llama 2 model is also available in Bedrock. So the first part of Bedrock is you get access to a variety of models, first party, third party, open source, state-of-the-art models that really help our customers select the right model for the right use case. The second aspect of Bedrock is that it's an environment where developers can gain access to a variety of tools that help them orchestrate these Gen AI outputs into their business applications. So we provide a variety of tools that help developers very easily build applications in a very powerful, very quick way. Bedrock is also, again, just taking that theme of security. It's a highly secure environment, so all data and end user activity is treated with the utmost confidence. There's no sharing of data or user information with us or with some of the other model providers that we're working with. So by far and away, we think Bedrock is the easiest place to get started with your Gen AI journey.
How does AWS work with financial institutions and help them with their adoption of Gen AI and machine learning?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, obviously, AWS, we work with thousands of financial services institutions. Every single one of them has had an interest in generative AI. I think functionally, a lot of the innovation we're seeing is around improving customer experiences, increasing employee productivity, driving kind of breakthrough product innovation that may not have been possible before, certainly not at the scale that we're seeing it today. You're getting into some specific examples. Bloomberg built a foundational model called Bloomberg GPT, which brings together a variety of publicly available information as well as proprietary data sets, which makes it very easy for investors and researchers to sort of understand market sentiment towards certain companies or certain industries or things like that. Another example would be Bridgewater Associates. They've built what they call a secure investment analyst assist, got to get the words right on that, which essentially, it takes a lot of the it automates a lot of the heavy lifting of trying to model out an investment thesis, pulling together structured data, building charts and visualizations out of it, testing hypotheses, again, understanding sentiment from public markets around certain companies and investments you may be willing to make. So it really automates a lot of that, bringing the right data together to test an investment thesis you might have. Lots of companies, whether it be NatWest or Travelers, looking at a variety of different ways to improve customer experiences using virtual chatbots, really automate the process of regulatory compliance reporting and understanding how policies impact internal operations. So I think we're just getting started, but even in just this brief amount of time that we've been kind of in market with Gen AI, or the Gen AI market has been in existence, we're just seeing a tremendous amount of innovation on behalf of our customers.
All right, Stephen, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. And thanks for joining me from reInvent. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.